Hello everyone, welcome to Homeschooling Worksheets. Circle the picture which begins with that alphabet. Daily practice worksheets. Let's start. Now find out the picture which starts with letter A and circle that picture. Let's start. A for ant. A for axe. E for elephant. E for eyes. O for octopus. O for orange. F for fan. F for fish. H for hat. H for horse. D for dog. D for donut. P for pig. P for pencil. G for grapes. G for goat. V for vegetables. V for van. C for cat. C for coat. R for rat. R for rose. S for spider. S for sun. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. B for ball. B for bat. I for ice cream. I for igloo. M for mango. M for monkey. K for king. K for kite. Q for quill. Q for queen. J for juice. J for joker. W for watermelon. W for water. T for tiger. T for tree. X for Christmas tree. X for X-ray. N for nails. N for nest. Y for yo-yo. Y for yellow color. Well done, children. Excellent job. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.